Now let's look at graphing a linear system. We want to solve the system x plus y equals 6 and 4x minus y equals 4 by graphing. We're going to take each line individually and graph it, and we can do that by using our intercepts. So we have our first line, x plus y equals 6. We're going to quickly find the intercepts here. We can do that by letting x equal 0 in the equation. Let's see, we'd have 0 plus y equals 6, which means y has to equal 6. And if we let y equal 0, we'd have x plus 0 equals 6, and x would have to equal 6. Let's plot those 2 points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now if we connect the dots, we have the graph of our first line. Now let's go to the second line. I'll use a different color for this one. We have 4x minus y equals 4. We'll use the same process. Let's substitute a 0 for x and solve for y. If we substitute 0 for x, our first term, 4 times 0, ends up being 0. We now have negative y equals 4, and that means that our y value has to be negative 4. Next, if we substitute a value of 0 for y, we end up having 4x minus 0 equals 4. We can now solve the equation 4x equals 4 to give us x equals 1. Let's plot those 2 points. We have 0, negative 4, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4 units down on the y-axis. We have the point 1, 0, that would be 1 unit over on the x-axis. And now we want to connect our dots. Doing so, we can see that the two graphs are going to intersect at this point. Its coordinates would be 2 units to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4 units up. So it appears that our solution is 2, 4. We can quickly check this by substitution into our equations to make sure that this is correct. We can see easily that if we take 2 plus 4, we end up with 6. So it certainly checks with the first equation. Let's try it in the second equation. 4, I'll go ahead and write this down. It's 4 times 2 minus 4. That would be 8 minus 4, which equals 4 as needed. So the solution to our system is 2, 4.